Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 3rd, 2025, and we're diving into Sphere Entertainment's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. Sphere Entertainment is a fascinating company, especially with its innovative Sphere venues and media operations. I'm excited to discuss their recent performance and future prospects.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Sphere Entertainment reported revenues of $308.3 million for Q4 2024, which is a slight decrease compared to the previous year. John, can you elaborate on this?
Certainly. The revenue decline of $5.9 million year over year is primarily due to lower average per-show revenues and fewer concerts at their Sphere venue in Las Vegas. However, it's important to note that the company managed to improve its operating loss by $16.7 million, indicating some operational efficiencies despite the revenue dip.
And what about their adjusted operating income?
The adjusted operating income came in at $32.9 million, which is a decrease of $18.6 million from the prior year. This decline is largely attributed to higher selling, general, and administrative expenses, including costs related to executive management transitions.
Segment performance analysis. John, let's break down the performance of Sphere Entertainment segments. How did the Sphere and MSG Network segments fare this quarter?
The Sphere segment reported revenues of $169 million, a slight increase of 1% from the previous year. However, it still faced an operating loss of $107.9 million, which is an improvement from the prior year due to the absence of impairment charges. On the other hand, MSG Networks saw a revenue decline of 5% to $139.3 million, with an operating loss of $35 million, primarily due to a non-cash goodwill impairment charge.
It seems like both segments are facing challenges. What are your thoughts on their future outlook?
While there are challenges, Sphere Entertainment is actively working on strategic initiatives, such as expanding their Sphere venues and enhancing their media offerings. These efforts could potentially drive growth and improve profitability in the long run.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Sphere Entertainment has been making headlines with its strategic initiatives. Can you tell us more about their recent developments and future plans?
Absolutely. The Sphere Experience recently celebrated its 1,000th showing, and the venue is hosting several high-profile residencies, including the Eagles and Dead & Company. Additionally, their multi-year deal with Formula One for the Las Vegas Grand Prix is a significant highlight. CEO James L. Dolan has expressed confidence in driving the Sphere business forward and generating long-term shareholder value.
These initiatives sound promising. How do you think they will impact the company's performance?
These strategic moves are likely to enhance Sphere Entertainment's brand presence and attract more visitors, which could lead to increased revenues and improved financial performance over time. The focus on expanding their Sphere venues and leveraging media partnerships is a step in the right direction.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.15, but the actual EPS came in at $3.49. What does this tell us?
The actual EPS of $0.49 was significantly below the forecasted $2, missing expectations by $1.34. This miss indicates that the company faced more challenges than anticipated, particularly in managing costs and achieving revenue targets. The higher-than-expected losses highlight the need for continued focus on cost management and revenue growth strategies.
With such a miss, what should investors keep an eye on moving forward?
Investors should monitor the company's efforts to control expenses and drive revenue through their strategic initiatives. Additionally, any updates on their Sphere expansion plans and media partnerships will be crucial in assessing future performance.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Sphere Entertainment's Q4 2024 earnings report shows a mixed performance with challenges in revenue and profitability. However, their strategic initiatives and CEO's vision for long-term shareholder value offer a positive outlook. John, any final thoughts?
Sphere Entertainment is navigating a challenging environment, but their focus on innovation and strategic partnerships could pave the way for future success. Investors should stay informed about their progress and any developments in their expansion plans.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Sphere Entertainment's performance in the comments below. Until next time.